Like what I said kanina, marriage is a faithfulness. Dahil ang author nito ay faithful. Walang iba kundi ang Panginoon.
With our child on the way, our baby Samuel.
Pinapangako ko na aalagaan, poprotektahan at lagi ko kayong mamahalin.
And I will assure you na punong-puno ng pagmamahal, tawanan at saya ang magiging pamilya natin.
Iingatan, mamahalin at di ko po iiwanan ang anak at ang magiging pamilya namin.
But for me, all I know is it's always been you, love. It's always been you, my love.
First of all, I love you. And I love you, baby Summer. Eto na, ay kakasal na tayo. Pero hindi ko makakalimutan yung unang araw na nakita kita. Sobrang vivid nun sa memories ko.
9 years ago, we met in the most unexpected place, sa dorm, during our college days.
Nakita kita kasama ng mga kaibigan mo sa baba ng dormitory building habang nandun ako sa 5th floor. That was the first time na nakita kita. And that was the start of our story.
Who would have thought that such simple beginning would lead us to this moment, standing right here, ready to promise forever.
Hindi man naging madali ang mga sumunod.
We faced challenges, many challenges, but we stood by each other, stronger and more united.
Kaya I am very grateful na ikaw ang partner ko. Thank you sa pag-alaga, pagmamahal at pagtiwala.
Since day one, alam ko nang may kakaiba sa'yo. Kaya wala pang 3 months, sinagot mo kita.
Madami akong natutunan at na-realize sa loob ng 9 years na pagsasama natin. At masasabi kong, we have grown together.
Your love, care, and support have always been my safe haven. And for that, sobrang thankful ako sa'yo. Kasama sa prayers ko araw-araw na sana ikaw nang nagsauli at ang mapapang-asawa ko. Kaya thank you, Lord, talaga. I promise, lalabs, to cherish every moment with you, to support your dreams, our dreams, and to walk hand in hand with you, not just as your wife, but as your partner in everything.
It's so